this the only cookie sheet you guys have? Welcome back to Cooking with Flex McDandy. Today, we're making cookies. So now, we're gonna need some cookie dough. So really, just take some cookies out of here. Delicious. This is my favorite part. Really, you don't have to cook these. You can just eat them. It's delicious. All right. This would be much easier with a better cookie sheet. This kitchen sucks. I miss my last kitchen. Stupid studio taking over my show. That should be good, just like that. And now we preheat the oven to 350 degrees. And then you wait. It should be preheated. You cook it for like 10 minutes, it should be fine. No need to set a timer, just come back when it's ready. Everything about this location sucks. Alright. Now, I prepared some earlier, so we didn't have to wait. Oh, delicious.